guys, today we're going to try frozen fruit covered with chocolate. So to all the people that like, yes, go sit down, thank you. To all the people that like your fruits covered with strawberries, trust and believe, I had to try them, so I found them at Walmart. I'm gonna show y'all the two that I like, okay? Hold on, wait a minute. Let me bring them out. Bam. Bam. As y'all see, I already opened it already. You know, I'm sorry. I already opened it already. I'm sorry. Don't be upset with me. I'm sorry. But we got the Reese's frozen fruit banana slices. This one is Hershey's milk chocolate frozen fruit strawberries. People that like they strawberries covered in chocolate. This is for you, you know, yeah. People who like they bananas covered in chocolate, this is for you, okay? I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. To the people that know, no. The people that don't know, you gonna know today. So, they look like this. Don't be all up in my comments being nasty, okay? Just saying, okay? Because there are people like that. But they look like this. Good, definitely good. Yeah, I'll definitely buy some more of this. I definitely will. Next, Hershey milk chocolate strawberries. Get this. Peace.